The gear that we wear is known as turnout gear or bunker gear, and we wear it to protect our bodies against all the different things we can be exposed to in a fire or the different types of calls we run. We're going to start by showing you the pants, and as part of the pants we're also going to show you the boots. These are tall boots which will protect us against heat, but also they have a steel toe and a steel shank to protect us against sharp objects, nails, glass. Onto the pants. The pants have 3 different layers on them, and this will be the case for the coat as well. The outside layer protects us against cuts and abrasions. There's an inside layer known as a moisture barrier, which will protect us against chemicals and also against steam burns. And the inside layer is known as a thermal layer, which will protect us against the heat in a fire. On my bunker pants I have my hood, and this will end up protecting part of our face and our neck. Moving on to the coat here, the coat is comprised of the same layering as the pants, with the thermal barrier inside and a moisture barrier, and then the outside barrier against abrasions. It also has reflective striping on it, so we can be seen in darkened conditions like in smoky conditions or in a highway at night. All the coats will have the firefighter's name on it, so we can be easily identified, because once we start putting all this gear on, people start looking all the same. You can see that my gloves are attached here. These are very heavy-duty gloves to protect us against heat, sharp objects, abrasions. Moving on to a very important piece of our protective equipment is the mask. The mask will cover our entire face and will provide the link for our breathing air pack that we can avoid all the bad products of combustion with. We don't want to breathe any of the chemicals that are produced in a fire, because 1 or 2 breaths of those will knock us unconscious. Moving on to the helmet. The helmet has our very nice shield on the front with West Metro on it, our name on it. This badge or this shield here is reflective of the position on the truck. It also has reflective striping on it, which is helpful at night, and identifiers for whatever unit you're assigned to. So we have goggles in the back that can flip over and protect our eyes if needed, and this helmet has a neck shroud as well. On to the really important part, which is the breathing clean air part. We have our SCBA pack. It stands for self-contained breathing apparatus. It can be closely related to scuba diving equipment. It contains compressed air in this bottle, which a lot of people think we are breathing pure oxygen. That actually wouldn't be a good thing for us. So it's just air that everybody else is breathing in the atmosphere compressed into this tiny bottle. We wear all this equipment to protect ourselves against heat, steam, chemicals, different types of burns. We wear the helmet to protect our head against trauma, and we wear the mask and SCBA pack to protect our face and lungs against fire, heat, and smoke. At West Metro Fire, we have standards that require us to be able to put all this equipment on in less than 2 minutes.